In the last class, we have seen what is celestial bodies, what is our universe. Now today we are going to see galaxy. Millions of stars, gas and dust held together by the force of gravity form a galaxy. What is a galaxy? What is in it? Galaxy. Millions of stars, so many stars, so much of gas, dust, all these things hold together or get together by the force of gravity. The gravity makes them keep them together. What are things together? Stars, gas and dust. All these things is together called galaxy, or they stars, gas, dust form together, they are together called galaxy. Millions of stars, gas and dust held together by the force of gravity form a galaxy. Universe consists of millions of galaxies. It's not one galaxy, the entire thing, there is not one galaxy. A millions of galaxies are there in the universe or on the earth. The universe is still expanding as new stars are being we see the universe is still expanding as new stars are being born. It is becoming big and big, more and more, because new stars are being born, is taking birth or taking place. A solar system, put in the bracket, a solar system belongs to one of these galaxies called the Akash Ganga or the Milky Way. What is this? Our solar system belongs to one of these galaxies called the Akash Ganga or the Milky Way. This galaxy is named so because it is like a white band. It consists of millions of stars. The sun is one such star. Galaxy, the consist of it consists of what consists of? The galaxy consists of millions of stars. And what is the prominent star, big star, or the most important star in this galaxy is sun for us. Now the stars. Stars are huge burning balls of hot gases which glow and shine in space. They are luminous. Put in the bracket. Star. What is a star? Stars are huge burning balls of hot gases which glow and shine in space. Space means the sky. They are self-luminous. They burn by themselves. Luminous means they burn by themselves. They appear as tiny specks in the sky. They are seen as a very tiny, very small, tiny specks, dots or something like particles. They appear as tiny specks in the sky as they are far away from us. Why we feel that stars are very small? It's not so small, but we feel like it is very small because it is very, very far away from us. Stars appears to twinkle. When we are in small classes, in the LKG classes, we have learned twinkle, twinkle, little star. All this twinkle, they burn it by themselves. This happens because why the stars twinkles? Put in the bracket. Because light from the star has to pass through different layers of the atmosphere with varying densities. So with the why the stars are twinkling, or we feel the stars twinkles, because light from the star has to pass through different layers of the atmosphere with varying densities. In different parts of the atmosphere, there are densities different densities. So it has to before reaching to us, it has to pass, the light should pass to us in different far away in the atmosphere with the different densities. So we feel like it is twinkling or it is very small. All stars except the pole star appear to move from east to west due to the rotation of the earth on its own axis from west to east. What is that? All stars? Don't get confused. All stars except the pole star appear to move from where to where? East to west. The stars appear to move. It is moving from where to where? East to west. Due to the rotation of the earth on its axis, earth is rotating from where to where? It is from the west to east. Whereas stars from east to west. All stars except the pole star appear to move from east to west due to the rotation of the earth on its own axis from west to east. Now, constellations. What is this constellations? That we before we start what is constellations, let's learn what is Big Bang. It is believed that 15 million years ago, a hot ball of matter, something, exploded with a big bang, very big sound. This created matter, energy, space, and time. This big bang released gases like helium and hydrogen. Later, this created the universe, including stars, galaxies, planets, etc. So, Big Bang, what is Big Bang? It is a belief that 15 million years ago, a big hot ball exploded, broken out with a big bang, with a big sound. This created what are the things? Matter, energy, space, and time. So this big bang released from this big bang, or when it is exploded, what are the things? Gases like hydrogen and helium came out. Later this created the universe, including sun, stars, galaxies, planets. All this is our belief. Okay. Now coming to this, light travels at a speed of, what is that? 3 lakh kilometer per second. The speed of the light is 3 lakh per second, kilometer per second. See, we cannot imagine even, no? That is the distance that light travels in a year is called a light year. What do you mean by light year? The distance that the light travels in a year is called light year. Coming to the light from Proxima Centauri, the nearest star to our sun, takes 4 years to reach us. How many hours? The light from Proxima Centauri, the nearest star. What is the nearest star's name? Proxima Centauri. That takes our sun takes 4 years to reach us. Next point, the light from the sun takes about 8 minutes to reach the earth. You think 8 minutes it takes from the sun to reach the earth through atmosphere. Now, we are going to learn about the constellations. Stars, group of cluster, stars group. We are going to learn now constellations. What is this constellations? Stars group or cluster together to form fantastic patterns of creatures, monsters, brave heroes and beautiful heroines. See, we have seen stars we read in the newspaper or this astronomers, all those things. Those people learn about speak about the stars. Stars group, the group of stars or clustered together. That is, they come together. They are moving together to form fantastic patterns of creatures. When the stars move, they are in different form. Which are the forms they take? Forms of creatures, monsters, brave heroes, and beautiful heroines. This is the shape or the forms of the stars. Groups of bright stars that appear close together in the sky are called constellations. Put in the bracket, group of bright stars that appear close together in the sky are called constellations. Did you follow what is constellations? The group of stars that come closer or together they appear, we see they are called constellations. Legendary tales for the time being, we have learned about the celestial bodies, our universe, galaxies, stars, constellations half or a little bit is left that I will be teaching you in the next class. Okay, God bless you.